Hello, welcome to another rendition of Math Tutoring Live Step by Step. Hey, math is easy step by step. Today I want to create a video called Fraction Busters. I don't know how many of you really enjoy seeing these fractions in these type of linear equation. This is a two-step linear equation. Hey, I've got a method to get rid of those fractions so you can just follow the inverse operations to get that x variable all by itself, right? So we got to get rid of the 1/6, we got to get rid of the 1/3, get x all by itself on the left side of the equal sign, and then simplify the values on the right to solve for x. So let's go ahead. Hey, remember this is a video, and you can rewind if I'm going too fast. You can stop, pause, and rewind at any time. So let's go ahead and take a look. Step one, hey, you need to find the common denominator. I'm going to bring my notes back down a little bit so you can see the equation. Step one is you want to find the common denominator between 3 and 6. Alright, so if I go too fast, don't worry, I created a video on finding the least common multiple so you can find the least common denominator. I've already uploaded that to my site. You can go ahead and take a review of that video if you've seen it, or watch it for the first time if you haven't seen it yet. So step one, find the common denominator. I'm going to take both of the denominators and set them up in my little t-chart. I'm going to multiply each of these terms times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way down to 20 if I have to find a number that they both share in common. Then what I'm going to do is take that multiple, here it's 3 times 2. Let me back up a little bit. As you can see here, there is a 12. Both 3 and 6 share a common denominator of 12, right? But you want to use the smallest common denominator. And I found it. Hey, 3 and 6 both share 6. 3 times 2 is 6, excuse me, and then 6 times 1 is 6. So I'm going to multiply each term in this equation by the common denominator. Hey, the common denominator is 6. That's going to be step 2. Hey, multiply each term by the common denominator of 6, right? So here, let's go through that particular step. Remember, I talked about the invisible ones underneath a term if it's not shown. And when we multiply fractions, we multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. So remember, we're multiplying each term in this linear equation, and even the 7 we're going to multiply times 6. Okay, 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. And don't forget your x. I bring down the plus. 6 times 1 is 6, and 1 times 6 is 6. Equals, and 6 times 7 is 42. Okay. Right now, the next step you want to take, step 3, is to simplify the fractions, right? So what is 6 divided by 3? That's 2x plus. Hey, what's 6 over 6, or any number over the same number? That's a 1, and it's a positive 1. Equals 42. Equals 42. Hey, take a look at this equation. Do you see any more fractions? No, fractions are gone. Now what you're going to do for steps 3 and 4 are follow the inverse operations to eliminate the 1 and to eliminate the 2 so you can get x all by itself. Let's go ahead and do that now. That was step 3, was to simplify the fractions. Excuse me. Here, what we're going to do is the very first step to solve for x. 2x plus 1 equals 42. The first step is to subtract. So I'm going to do the opposite of adding or subtracting first, then the opposite of multiplying and dividing second. That will get the variable all by itself. So here, let me show you. What is the opposite of adding 1? It's to subtract 1, but you need to do it to both sides of the equal sign, right? What you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. 1 minus 1 is 0. That leaves me 2x equals 42 minus 1 is 41. Hey, we're one step away from solving this problem. I need to get the x all by itself, but right now it's attached to the 2 through multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplying? The inverse of multiplying is to divide both sides by 2, right? We're going to take the inverse of multiplying, which is division, to get x all alone. So instead of multiplying, I'll divide 2. That will create 2 over 2, which is 1x. Hey, that x is all by itself now, but what you do on one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other side of the equal sign. So x equals 41 over 2. Or if you watched that video I showed you on how to convert a improper fraction, which is top heavy, and convert that into a mixed number, you would get 20 with 1 over 2. I'll quickly do this verbally, but I have created a video to show you how to convert improper fraction to a mixed number. So 41 divided by 2, 2 goes into 41 20 times. There is a remainder of 1 over the original denominator 2. So 41 over 2 is equal to 20 and 1/2. Hey, I hope this video was helpful for you. Again, go back, review a few videos that I've uploaded in finding a common denominator, as well as converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. I hope you found this video helpful. Take good care. Thanks for joining.